Alright, welcome back to my another video once again. Hopefully everything fine and you are going great. So today in this video we are going to learn drag and drop in React. I already created a project to show you guys. Let's show it to you. It would be like a pre-boot drag and drop. How is it shown on pre-boot? Like we can move it from another column to another column like this, and if we want this, then we can do this as well. Okay, let's move entire video in the React app, and it's just I created. For this we need to implement tailwind for the design. Let's do this. Search tailwind. You will search the tailwind, just then you will get this. Then choose the framework guides and pick the React, and from here skip the first one and let's do this. If you use NPM, then you can use NPM one, but I use yarn, that's why I pick only the installation package name and add, and after that we need to put this on our CSS file. We'll remove this, and we don't need any app.css file, so let's remove it as well, and let's create it again. Like, I just want to clean everything. Okay, new page. Let's copy this for the checking tailwind. We have another option. Before that we are going to see which one we are going to use, which package today we are going to use, like react-dnd. And if we want to use react-dnd, then we need to another package to use, which one is react-dnd HTML5 backend. We need also this one as well, but we will work for another version. This is updated, and we will work for another version. After init the tailwind, we need to pick the content things from here and need to put it on tailwind.config.js in content like this, just, and after that you will see the change here. But we need to restart the server. If we change any config file or root folder, then we need to restart the file, restart the project again. Oh yeah, start. Sorry. Okay, when the server restart and it's open on the browser and tailwind is connected with our project, and I am now going to install. Before install, we need to design these card things. Before design, yeah, let's do that at first. Let's create all the pages here. Let's hide the terminal and let's design all the pages. For this, let's make a new component folder, components, and create new folder. NPM board is connected. Let's make a design for this. Change the class, add a new class name and mx 90% and mx auto. Oh, sorry, it would be w. It's mean. Okay. The title from here. Okay, this is the title, and let's add some style here. Yeah, for this, for yes, that looks so fine. Let's create another page for the board card page, like board card page dot and we need a file for the data. We don't have any backend, that's why we will use the dummy data here, and yes, and let's copy it from the previous project, from this. we'll copy the type as well. Paste it here. The type is just type, not too much. Let's we have 4 data and we have 4 column here, status as a status, and this is the column. Let's pick this at first. Import here, import, what is the name is this, status from data. We'll create a new page here like list. Let's pick the design from the previous project. Put designs from here. If we also want to design in this project, then it would be a large project. Already it has been made large. Oh, it is the wrong. We need to make a design for this list card page. Remove this for now. I will pick the design from the previous page, and we are now just going with inline CSS, and we'll just style and after that we'll create a new component here like list items.js. Okay, let's import this file here as well. Let's put all the design at first here. We have all the design, and we have at first the card name as well here. Card name and the new item. It would be the each. It would be for the each item. Let's add this new file. Let's input it here. Let's make the design. let's copy it and put here. Remove it from here. Title. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have just the title here. Yeah, it's looking so good. Let's yeah, we have all the status here. Let's create use state here. Use state data list. Data list. We are just putting all the status on this data list file, and we will length let's import data as well and create a new state items and set items, and it will be data and we will from s and I, and s is equal to s means status and I means index. I and what happened? I and items is equal to items and set items is equal to set items as yeah, okay. Let's structure the structure on here as I and create a new user state here, card list. First time it would be empty array, then we will use effect. Okay, it's already imported. Const new list array, and we will map all the items here. Items dot map item if s dot status is equal to item dot status, then we'll push here the item dot push the item here. Okay, after that we will set the state with this new list. Okay, now we will patch this card as props. S is equal to S. What have more? Let's keep this for at first. Let's pick those on the list item page from here, and all things this structure from here, and S. For S, we can use S dot title. If we console the S here, console.log S, you see this is the S. We can use this title here. S dot title dot don't need for now, just S dot title, but it's not good to uppercase. Okay. Copy it from here. Just I'll provide you the GitHub link and GitHub code as well to you guys. And can you see we have everything here, all the title, and we'll patch the card list. We have a list here. Let's card list dot length or we can say it as a card. From here we will patch the index and item as I. This I and index I is equal to I and index is equal to index, and we will I and index, and let's design it. For that we need to fragment, and it's coming from React, and let's make a new div, and after that let's make a new div and pick all the class from the previous project, and for this at first we let's send it as that item, then we will pick it as an item here. Dot content. It should be come now here, but I don't know why it's not coming. Let's console here all the card. Okay, we're getting now. When I refresh, and we're getting all the card here. Can you see? So for now we have done our design. Now we need to add the functionality for the drag and drop. Let's install the package of which we need. Let's open the terminal. Let's copy for the react yarn add we will install 10.0.2. 10.0.2. Let's install it as well. Let's install it, and it's going on install. And for now we again start from this pm boot page. Let's do that from here. From the drag and drop from the react-dnd, we need to import a dnd provider at first. Let's import it. What this? And after that we need to import backend from the react-dnd HTML5, and we need to pass this backend as backend. I will provide you all the source code on my GitHub, and you also can download it from there. The link will be below. For here we will create a function which will update the cart just, and we need to use the callback function here. We'll copy this from here because let me copy at first, then I will explain you. From here we'll just update the list, and for this updater we need to install another package which is coming from react add-ons update. Install it, add react add-ons. We'll pass this move list from here. Okay, and pick it from here as well. Copy this importer, and if you use automatic importer, then it would be automatic for you. Okay, it has been installed, and let's move the next step. Next step will be on this list page. For the list page function, we are just import it, use drop and use drag from the react-dnd. If you want to explain, then it would take a long time. I will provide you this all code and you will just download from my from my GitHub. And for this, for now, I'm just copy this, and I will explain something for no new. Maybe it is going something bad. Item.cart, we need it here. This is I need those things as well. Item.cart here. Index and ID. Status. For this we will use I, and this for this as well I, and for this we will use as dot status. Yeah, as dot status. Yeah, it should be fine. Next we need to provide this dnd handle ID like this, and ref as well. This opacity coming from here. If dark, then opacity would be 0, and if not, then it would be just 1. ID is not working. Oh, let's ID be working. Okay, after that we'll for the list page working done, and we will move to the list item page, and on this page we need to do something here. And for this page we need to make two functions, one for the on drop and another for the move item. But before that we need to make two wrapper, one drop wrapper and another for the call. We need to make it. Let's make those things here. Let's copy the wrapper name first. Wrapper.js. For the wrapper, and wrap this at first. Let's create another. Sorry. Call.js. call okay. Let's do work for the call wrapper. Before that, we need to make a new function here for the on drop. On drop. And for now, for the on drop, we have set cards here. This is the state which we defined on define on this page, and we already pass it to here, and we need to pass as well on the flow. And the structure from here, and we need to import status sys from here. Import status from data. All the things okay. Let's pass this as this on call wrapper, and structure it from here. But for the call wrapper, we have something more here. We can also structure some things here, and we will pass the status as well. Let's copy this all things from here. Let's pass the status as dot status. We have the status. For here we'll copy the design just. We'll paste it. We just pass the children here just, and we do a design here, not such a job. And we'll create a new function, and which will depend on use drop, and it would be come from react-dnd. Let's copy it. I will explain you. Wait, let me copy everything from here. Explain you. Okay, if they drag and drop, then it will call is over when we will pick a file, and on the and we are going to drop, then it will call on this time. If items index and status index mean column index. If item index and column index will be is equal, then it would be false. Then they can't move the card. If not, then will return true from here, and they will be able to drop the file there. Let me show you. If console dot log console.log and for we don't have any file because we don't have any file here because we didn't work on call.js. Let's work on this. Let's go on the call.js and we'll just passing the children and is over, then the design will be changed. Is not, then class name will be empty. Let's copy the total file from here and paste here. See, changed. Status on which page? Let's see on which page status. Status reading undefined. Let's check it. ID ID item.id expected. Okay, let's refresh and try. Again the status id.status is not defined. id.status s.status. Let's console log all the card here. Yeah, we already used the as a key. we have this status here, then what is the issue? We have this status here, then let's try and what happened here. Okay, this is the issue. They are pushing undefined, that's why it's not previous card. They're pushing it from here. Maybe we didn't call it here and call it anywhere. Let's check it. This issue is happening for we are not saving the card and we were set the wrong state, like we are set the undefined, and for the set the right card we need to add more function here, like we are using here the use drop and drag as well here. Let's pick them from here and paste, and we have some design as well for this, and oh shit, damn it. We need to create a ref for this. Oh, we have already, but we need item and use drag and drop, like import all the things, and we need index. We need index and index is IDS, and move item. This is actually and move item. Move item is coming from here, and we are passing here, and we are passing also over list move. For this actually the issue is occurring, and let's pick the structure from here and pass it to item, and on the item this structure again it oh shit, it's not move card, I'm sorry, it's the move item, and we already made the function for the move item, and this is oh we didn't. Let's create the move item. Move item is this and this is the move item. items, we need items here. Items, 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 and set items as well here. Move, and we have also move item here. Let's now see. Refresh. Status is not defined again. Let's before this console.log as an item here, then it would be clear. The second was undefined. Item is undefined. All the items is undefined. Items, save items, okay, we find the issue. We are passing this index as a idx, but it was not applicable maybe, and I am just passing this index as index, and on the list page we are now just the structure as an index and change it to index, and we are now passing this as index, and now it's working fine. Like we can move it as well. Okay, it's not working, but it would be work fine. For now it's working fine, and for the rest, okay, we found the issue. We are just passing this I here, but it would be index index.I. For now we removing the I and just passing the index here, and refresh the project and try now. Yeah, it's working. Change everything, Yeah, it's working for now. If we want, we can also change the red color and green color. For this we can change it from here on the drop wrapper JS, and we can change make this change from here, like bg can make any type of color from here, like this should be the bg color, can you see? And if we want to change the red color, then we need to change it from this page, like red 500, it would be green 500, and if we want to move, then it would be move. Can you see? Changing. Thank you for watching, and stay with me, and peace there at all.